I want to show you this new AROEVE air purifier. I am obsessed and it has become a staple in my bedroom. Not only is it aesthetically pleasing, it looks sleek, modern, and new, but this screen right here is your best friend. It controls every aspect of this. It helps you control the fan up top. You can either have it oscillate up and down, left to right. You can also control the lights. So if you want to keep it off at night while you're sleeping and so the lights don't disturb you, you can do that as well. It also tells you how many particles, how many debris are in the air. Once again, this controls the oscillation, and then this is just the mode that it's on. This controls the power, the fan level, and then you can use this button here to lock and turn the lights off and on. It controls this light up here as well, which is a great little night light at night, I might add. I am in love with this air purifier. Like I said, I love how it looks. It just fits in with the home decor in my bedroom so well. And I've honestly noticed me getting a better night's sleep because the air in here is so much better. And this part right here is my absolute favorite. You can add your essential oils here and they will diffuse throughout the room. So I usually use lavender for bedtime, and it has become my favorite thing about this air purifier. There is a pretty easy to access filter here. You just pull this part out, you remove the outer layer out here so that you can clean it, and then you just, once you clean it, this part here is the part that you remove. And once it's clean, you just slide it back in and pop it back in and you're good to go. It's so easy to set up, it's so easy to use, it's so easy to manage. And not only can you control it through the screen on the front, there's also an app that you can use to control it as well. And it's just so easy and convenient. So if you're looking for a machine that's easy to use and easy to control and also just looks very great in your home, it's not intrusive and it just looks beautiful. I get so many compliments on how it looks, and like I said, it just fits in with my home decor. I also want to mention these color indicator here. It will change colors based on how dirty the air is. So if it's blue, it's the lowest, and I think it goes up to red, which is the most dirty. So I am obsessed with this thing. It looks beautiful. One of my other favorite features is the fan. It's perfect for if you need some breeze or honestly some white noise to help get to bed. So if you're looking for a new air purifier, I highly recommend grabbing this one.